So you have got countries down the side. You have got years across the top. And right here in this cornered cell, you need two labels. One cell, two meanings. Today I will show you a quick trick to make a single cell look like it's split in two, without driving LibreOffice Calc yourself crazy. So let's look at what we have. Down the left side we have got a bunch of countries. USA, France and Germany. Across the top we have got some years. 2020 and 2021. But right here, this top left cornered cell, it's kind of empty. Ideally, this cell should explain that rows are countries and the columns are years, but Calc only gives us one cell to work with. So instead of actually splitting it, we are going to make it look split. Click into the empty cell above USA and to the left of 2020. Firstly, type the word that describes the rows. In this case, type year. Now, hold down Ctrl key and press Enter. This moves your cursor to a new line inside the same cell. On the second line, type country. So, now you have got both words in one cell stacked. Next, go up to the Borders button and click it. You will see a bunch of options, but don't let that scare you. So I will click the diagonal border that goes from the top left to the bottom right. Now the diagonal line is there, but the text probably looks a little messy. That's normal. Click back into the cell and align the cell to the left. Alright, now use the space bar to gently push year towards the upper right corner. Yes, it's a manual solution, but it works perfectly. Anyway, once it looks good, press Enter. Now that single cell clearly explains both directions of the table. You have not split the cell. Calc does not allow cell to be split into two separate cells. This method is just a visual trick. If this helped you make your table cleaner and more professional, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!